Montessori School, and I'm going to explain about the woman researcher Marie Curie. This is about Marie Curie. Marie Curie is the only person in history to win Nobel Prizes in two different scientific fields, physics and chemistry. But her legacy extends far beyond her accolades. Her life and work are full of incredible and surprising details. Radioactive papers. Her notebooks remain too radioactive to touch without protective gear today. Secret school. She attended an underground illegal university for women in Poland. War hero. She created mobile X-ray cars to treat frontline soldiers. And two interesting facts about Marie Curie. What is Marie Curie's last work? Her last work is radium, she said. What was it done with radium or with mesothorium? And the second one is, what was Marie Curie's IQ? Her IQ to fall between 180 and 200. Thank you, everyone.
Hello, my name is Kena and I'm from T4. So today I'm going to present to you about Galileo Galilei. Information about Galileo Galilei. So the long name of Galileo is Galileo di Bernardini de Galilei. So Galileo was born on February 15, 1564, and he died on January 8, 1642. And he was born in Pisa, Italy. Galileo discovered the moons of Jupiter, phases of Venus, lunar surface, sunspots, and solar rotation, and also Saturn's rings and the Milky Way. The explanation about Galileo's discoveries. So first, we have the moons of Jupiter. He discovered Jupiter's four satellites, and now called the Galilean moons: Io, Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto, proving that not all celestial bodies orbit the Earth. And second is phases of Venus. He observed that Venus goes through phases similar to the Moon, providing physical proof that it must orbit the Sun. And now the third is lunar surface. He discovered that the Moon is not a smooth, perfect sphere, but it is instead covered in craters and mountains. And the fifth is sunspots and solar rotation. By tracking dark spots on the Sun, he determined that the Sun rotates on its axis. And then finally, the last is Saturn's rings and the Milky Way. He observed that the strange shape of Saturn, later identified as rings, and resolved that the Milky Way was composed of countless individual stars. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Aruna. I'm from P4. Today I'm going to tell you about my science project Galileo Galilei, the man who studied the stars. Who was Galileo? Born in Pisa, Italy in 1564, and then Italian scientist and astronomer, loved math and science, famous for studying space and motion. Galileo's early life. As a child, he liked learning and experimenting, studied at the University of Pisa, first studied medicine and later changed to mathematics. The telescope. Galileo improved the telescope in 1609. Used it to look at the night sky. Could see the stars and planets more clearly. Discovery in space. Observes the moon and mountains and craters. Discovered 4 moons of Jupiter. Saw that Venus changed shape like the moon. Galileo's big idea, believe the Earth moves around the Sun, support the ideas of Nicholas Copernicus. This idea was new and controversial at the time. Why Galileo is important? Help people understand space better. Inspires future scientists. Called the father of modern science. Fun facts. Galileo could play a musical instrument. A spacecraft was named after him. Galileo spacecraft. His idea changed science forever. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Jasmine. Today I'm going to show you some facts about the scientist named Galileo. First, about when and where he was born. He was born in the city of Kota on February 15, 1564 and died on January 1642. Galileo Galilei was an Italian astronomer, physicist, and engineer. Sometimes described as a following. Galileo has been called the father of observational astronomy, modern classical physics, the scientific method, and modern science. He discovered and pioneered the scientific method, combining rigorous mathematical analysis with systematic experimentation. The equipment that Galileo used was a self-improved reflecting telescope. He changed the ideas about the solar system by using the newly invented telescope to provide the first observational proof of the heliocentric, sun-centric model. Thank you.
Okay.